Hello, cookbook friends. This is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and I'm inviting you to join us this September in the Cookbook Divas book club to read The Kitchen Front by Jennifer Ryan. It's a World War II novel about four interesting women joining a cooking contest trying to be the new host of the Kitchen Front radio show. Very, very good read. We read it back in our book club in April, and it's so good I want to do it again and give more of you an opportunity to join us. We are going to read it throughout September, so there's like a little reading assignment every week, manageable chunks. It's not too bad, not too long. And we do classroom discussions or book club discussions on Facebook in a private little Facebook group. So I think the address is www.facebook.com/groups/Cookbook Divas Book Club. Good luck typing that in. Anyway, I hope you'll join us. We start reading September 1st, but you can always read early. Just don't spoil it for us. We'll start talking about the book super soon, and I hope you'll join us. Thanks.